Hello everyone. I want to present a new software which is called Maya. It's going to be a 3D animation leading, industry leading software very soon. Um, it's not like some other software claims like it's load very fast and it's do very good stuff. It's not like that. It's really fast. Oh, its opening time is like it's less than few seconds. You can see. So you have the interface here now, and then this is the basic interface for the Maya. You see the 3D viewport here. Um, we can zoom, we can uh, rotate, and all those kind of stuff you can do. And this is the shelves. So if your recent command, I mean, whatever the you frequently using stuff, you can just put it there. And these are the tools which we use for like moving, rotating, scale, all those kind of stuff. And definitely you can see a timeline in the bottom. Um, and you can adjust timeline, start end frames, and all those kind of stuff with the slider. Um, and yeah, we have a script editor which is actually very good. It's the language called Mel. Mel is very powerful. Um, it comes with Maya. You don't need to install anything else. And we have a preference editor here. So if you want to adjust any of the preferences, you can adjust here, like your start frame range, and end frame range, and everything, and almost all the things you can do with Maya, you can customize here. It's very powerful. It's really good. And then we have four menu items. So this is animation based menu bars, and this is modeling based menu bars, and this dynamics based menu bars, and this is rendering based menu bar. So it has a four kind of menu bars. So let's create something very simple. So you can create a sphere, and if you press 5, you see it in the shaded mode. If you press F, you can zoom, and you can use your left and middle click, come on, to zoom and zoom out, and your left and alt click to rotate. And you can just right click and select a face, and then you can select one face set, and then you can just use extrude. You see this? This is really amazing, right? Oh, by the way, doesn't change for like long time. It stays as it is. Uh, and you have a channel box. You can adjust all the values here. If you want to adjust like 1, you do 0.5. Yeah, it all works here, and you can use the selection sets, and you can change types, um, and then you can see here you can move it and whatever you want. Oh, come on, it's okay. Now let's do some little bit of animation. So press S to key the values, and then we can just use the W to get the move tool, um, and you can just move somewhere and press S, and you can press E, so you can just rotate, and you can just use R to scale, and press S, so you can just see, oh, nice. And the same way You can do this anywhere, whatever stuff. Um, and let's see if you want to do some coloring on this one. It's very fast to do in Maya. It's something called multi-lister. You select multi-lister, and in material you go and create, and you can say a blend shader, um, and then you double click on this one. You get attribute editor, which is nice. So you can adjust your all colors and all attributes and everything on this one. That's a pretty interesting one. So okay, if you want to adjust the transparency, you can adjust the transparency, ambient color. Yep, it's everything works perfectly fine. And then what you can do is actually select this and go to rendering, shading, assign shading group. So you just select this one and then shading. For some reason, if you're thinking like why the drag and drop doesn't work, yeah, it doesn't work. And you know, so far it didn't crash, it didn't slow down. Um, I'm getting good FPS, it looks good, and you have a channel editor here. So but yeah, if you want a channel editor, you can just create one, and then um, if I think I'll talk about it later. Um, and then you can create an ambient light, which is nice. And if you press 7, oh yeah, see, it works. And you can adjust the intensity to 10. Wow, 0, 2, yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah, but definitely you can create a new camera basically. So you just go, where was that? Hmm. Yep, create a new camera. Oh, that's a perspective camera. Crap. Never mind. How to find it? Primitives. Yeah, it is actually inside the primitives. I don't know why. Yeah, see, it look exactly the same. Wireframe is same. All the stuff is same. Oh, and the attribute editor, it's the same. Your shape, your transform node, and your shape, and all kind of stuff. Short triangle, display options. You have everything is same. Output. Yep, it looks a bit more nice. Um, yeah, volume works informations. Oh, you see the absolute and relative values also here. So you can see the absolute and relative values here. And we have an outliner, so you can choose whatever you want. Yeah, we have pretty interesting stuff. And we have a plugin manager, so you can basically write your C++ plugins here. So far, it's only support C++. And what else? Oh yeah, I totally forgot about the script editor, mel part. Yeah, you can write like global proc test proc, and then basically every program will start with this one. So let's try this. This language is called Mel. It's a very powerful language. Execute. Oh yeah, it works. See, yep. So you can write stuff. So you can say like select camera one and then execute. It selected the camera. So yeah, so that's how it works. And the zooming part is a little bit tricky. You have to use the alt and middle and left click for some reason. The rest of the stuff, it's pretty much self-explaining stuff. Um, Not really. It depends on how you experienced. I'm just kidding. So you can just group it, and you can see, yeah, it works. So, oh, even you can do a play blast also here. So you see the window, it's almost same. Didn't change much. Oh, and you have an expression editor. So, yep. Oh, I want to show this one. It's a product information. It's about window of Maya. You can see it's almost you have so many options. It's very hard to describe everything in one video. I'll do maybe more videos. Let's do one thing. Let's render this one to see how our sphere looks. Yeah, in the beginning I told you it's not like some softwares which claims like very fast and very good for animation. This tool is really good. It's called Maya 1, and you guys definitely need to give it a try. Um, let's give let's give a try to render this one. Yeah, if it's a Maya 2020 or if it's a Maya 1, this is what you get, the final. Thank you, and there you go.